Uh, Country Poe. Anybody beat Killers. Oh, this that old school shit. Shit, I'm going straight in, man. Yo, I thought I told these crab niggas that I was the best. Send a shotgun slow straight through to your chest. You should worry about Versace, should've wore you a vest. When you soul leave your body, you got nothing to bless. I'm so ignorant and loony, I got nothing to lose. On the road to the riches, so I know where to choose. And I came to fix the game, ain't no way I can lose. With a ratchet and a hammer, I'ma loosen your screws. And the tools got these motherfuckers chewing their nails. Walk up in the studio and make them nervous as hell. And you better send a beetle, I'ma send you a cell. When you see me in the street, you better hand me the mail. Country Poe, keep it hot with or without a deal. So the world picture me rolling without a pill. I ain't talking about a luncheon when I'm cooking a meal. 100 bricks so that chicken shit to get me a bill. Hey look nigga, ain't nobody fucking with the skill. Country Poe, anybody beat kills. Yeah, you ain't noticed by now, I'm influencing the game. Haha. It ain't gonna never be the same. I'm out.